Okay, Shackleman 007 with ASP Sentries. This is the model S100. They're cool because you only got to turn the key in one direction. What do I mean by that? Well, you'll see in a second. So what we need to do is we need to set the double locks like so, just to prove that. There we go. I've got my little cheeky stopwatch just ready to go. And in fact, if I start it now, double locks proof, what I'll do is I'll try and go when it's on the 10. So 5 to go. That's 1 done. That's 2 done. And that was under 6 seconds. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. That's 1 done.